Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for this week's video, Bella came up with the idea for us to create an April Showers brings Mayflowers makeup look. So we each split it up, and I did April Showers and she did Mayflowers.
So we split this idea up into two videos. Brenna is going to do a tutorial on how she created her look, and then I'm going to do a tutorial on how I created mine.
So if you want to see how Bella created her Mayflowers look, then keep on watching.
Okay, so off camera, I just did my brows really quickly, and then I primed my eyes. So to start off, I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go in with this tan shade right here, and just pop that in my crease. I'm going to take the Morphe M504 brush, and then I'm going to go in with this shade, and put that right in my crease as well. I'm trying to keep this yellow shade just up a little bit higher, because I want to make sure that it's seen when I start putting in the oranges. So next I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush, and then I'm going to take this light orange, like peachy shade, and I'm going to put that just underneath where I put that yellow shade. To brighten up that orange a little bit more, I'm going to take this darker orange on the same brush and just drag it down a little bit lower to make sure that all the colors are blended well, and it's like a nice gradient effect. I'm just going to take any flat brush and some concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my crease and my lid to where I'm going to put the glitter. Next, I'm going to take this Sarzar Glitter Fix Gel, and I'm just going to put that right on my lid where I'm going to be applying the glitter. And I'm just going to use a flat brush and just pack all that glitter right on my lid. Okay, so I'm just going to take a makeup wipe now and just clean up underneath my eyes, and then clean up the edges, the outer edges of my eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going to go with this with the shade Electric, and I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner on each eye. Ta-ta. Bren! I'm going to take this black eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the rest of my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did my face makeup, and then I popped on a pair of lashes. I used the Ardell Wispies. And now I'm going to do the bottom half of my eye. So to start off, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to put that right underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Subculture palette, and on the Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Fudge, and I'm just going to put that right close to my lash line. So next I'm going to take this white eyeliner and line my waterline. Okay, so to start off, I just took a little bit of makeup remover, and I just picked out where I want to put my flower, and I just removed the makeup that's there. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette again and take this yellow shade, and on an angled brush, I'm just going to start drawing the petals of the flower. Okay, so next on that same angled brush, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm going to go in with Sphere, this yellow shade right here, and then I'm just going to go in between those lines that I just made with the other yellow, just to kind of give it some depth. Okay, so next I'm going to use that same angled brush again, and then I'm going to take the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here, and then I'm going to go through the petals again just to give it some more dimension. Okay, so next I'm going to take just this little tiny rounded brush, and then I'm going to take the Anastasia Subculture palette, and then I'm going to use this shade Fudge right here, and I'm going to use that for the center of my flower. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a few more flowers just around the side of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is my finished look. I added a few more flowers on this side, and then on this eyebrow I put a few little tiny flower rhinestones. And then for my lips I used this Bite lipstick in the shade Pepper. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for me and Brenna's next videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye guys! So next I'm going to take this white eyeliner and line my water